Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to restart your laptop. So to do that, you can press the start button, then go to power options, click on them, then select restart or update and restart if you have some updates pending on your laptop. Alternatively, if you cannot reach this menu, for example, if your device is stuck frozen, you can press and hold the power button in the top right corner of your keyboard, hold it down and check the power indicator on the right edge of your laptop. Once it shuts down, your laptop will be turned off. Then what you'll have to do is shortly press the power button again. This way you will force restart your laptop. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.